Hello, brother. Apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah, baik.
Bye.
Okay.
What are you selling?
Ya?
What are you selling? Fruit? Smoothie? Fruit?
Jus.
Juice?
Yes.
Oh. Ah, okay, here's the menu. I'm looking in the wrong place. What is alpukat? I've never heard of it.
Jus.
Which is the best?
Oh, pas.
Best juice. Es kuwut bali.
Favorit.
Okay, let's try it. One. 10k? 10?
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Siapa namamu?
My name is Indra.
Idra.
Indra.
Indra.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Harry.
Oh, what you from?
I'm from Java.
Jawa.
I'm from England. Where are you from? Jakarta?
No, I is Java.
Java.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, he cuts the lime up. I'm not sure if they call it lime here or lemon. Oh, that's definitely a lime. What's this? Sugar.
No.
Lychee.
Syrup.
Syrup. Oh.
Lychee.
Okay, lychee syrup.
Favorit sini lychee.
Oh, nice. And some lemon.
Coconut.
Coconut. Nice. Oh, what's that?
Slushy.
Slushy.
Yeah.
Looks like interesting mixture. And what's that? Water.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Yes.
Oh, it's a lot of sugar. Oh, he's hitting the ice up. There we go.
Water coconut.
Oh, more coconut water.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And then he mixes it up. Oh, where did that come from? You make it from this?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yes,
Wow. Look at this.
What flavor did you get?
This one.
Very good.
It's all of these. It's from Bali. No, I'm joking, I made that up. Okay. Wow, look at this. It's like a cocktail. Fruit and a healthy drink. Wow. Bagus.
Yeah.
He was waiting for me patiently. He was like, that is so good. It's like coconut, lemon. Those are the main two like flavors I'm getting. Sugary, very refreshing, very refreshing. And yeah, like I can't really say anything bad about it. Like very nice, like mocktail kind of reminds me of. And then you get a bit of the jelly, a bit of the coconut. Oh, coconut is my favorite. Can't go wrong with that. It's for you. Keep the change.
Oh, yeah.
Keep change for you. He doesn't understand. No. For you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, brother.
Okay, thank
You are the man.
you.
Bye bye.